Guys, so I'm going to show you how to change the battery. Hyundai Sonata, it's 2015 and upwards. You want to first go ahead and take out these clips right here. These 3 clips right here. Take them off. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me help you. Might be your next car that I'm working on, or the next problem your car has. Alright? I'm going to go ahead and remove this right here. And now we have access to the battery. Alright? Now we have access to the battery. Just want to remove these 10mm right there. And that one down there, I think that's going to be 12mm. I'm going to show you how to do that in a few. Alright? Alright, so this right here. 10mm or so. Now it's time to get down there to that 12mm should be. And yes, it is 12mm. After that, go ahead and take out the battery. All right. All right. So now you want to get your new battery. Take it off the lead. Take it off. Alright, ease it up a little bit like that. That's it. That's how you change the battery on a Sonata. And now the part you want to go ahead and put on your cold air intake. Guys, that's how you do it right there. Alright, everything is all nice. Make sure your terminals are tight, and that's it. Battery is locked in place tight. Alright, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Help me help you. Alright, see you next time.